Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show BUET's job exam uh, in drawing solutions. It maybe comes in next exams or uh, similar object you will find in the BUET's job exam, especially mechanicals or IT. So you are watching this one is the 3D or isometric view. I'll show also the front view, top view, and the side view. So let's go into start before going to the file, and new file is created. Taking the unity time MGS, selecting the top plane, sketch, and I'm going here, center rectangle is selecting, sketching a center rectangle, determine the dimension, the length is taking 100 mm and the width is 10 mm. Then exit it from here, and I'm going to the feature extrude boss is selecting. See, this one is the extrude, and I'm taking the condition is mid plane, and this will be the 60, 30 to 30 and 30 from the midpoint. Okay, then next boss is selecting, click on the space, and going here, corner rectangle is taken, sketching a corner rectangle. Smart dimension is selecting, determine this one, and I'm taking this one is 15, this one is also 15, and the distance from here to here is taken 10, and this one is taking 30. See, okay, then taking circle, sketching a circle from the center of this rectangle. Okay, radius is 15, and offset the, this one is the offset, and the distance is 2.5, and reverse direction. Okay, done. Then exit from here, then selecting the extrusion part, this one, this corner, this corner, this corner, and this circle. Now see, and I'm taking up to this one is 40, then okay. Then front plane is taken again in a sketch, taking a line, sketching line from this point to this point, exit from here, and go to the rib, see, and this one is the 10, okay, now done. Then I'm going to the evaluate, and mass properties is given, see, the volume of this here, and sometimes can becomes what is the volume of this object, this question is come. So now I'm selecting this one. Okay, before going here, I'm selecting whole part is glass, then I want to show this one, see, and going here, view is watching, full view is watching here. Now see, here this one is the whole, that's why create the center line. Okay, thank you everybody. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you.